Naranasan mo na ba yung hiningin ka ng presentation at sinabihan ka na I need that within 30 minutes? I need that within 5 minutes. Yung mga reports na binigyan ka ng data pero hindi naman sinabi na take your time. So today, pag-uusapan natin ang reports, ang mga deliverables na minsan hinihingi sa atin ng client ng biglaan. Hi guys! Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is your Shiel Rola, your digital marketer as well as your VA coach. So pag virtual assistant ka po, normal po yun. May mga instances, especially if you're working in some niches like real estate, na bigla na lang magpapakreate sila sa iyo ng presentation, something na pwede nilang gamitin para magkaroon sila ng, let's say, acquisition sales, proposals, and etc. etc. To be frank, nung first time ko pong mag-apply as a marketing specialist sa isang real estate sa Ohio, hiningan din po ako ng isang site audit, and I have to put that in a presentation, and binigyan lang po ako doon ng 24 hours. So, syempre, applicant ako, 24 hours. Pero, paano lang kung ikaw ay isang virtual assistant na? So, ayaw nating magpasa ng putyo-putyo lang. Ayaw natin yung biglang may mapansin silang mali, tapos sabihin nila na hanap na lang kami ng ibang virtual assistant na pwedeng gawin yan. So, today, yan ang i-discuss ko sa inyo. There is an amazing tool na nakita ko na pwede mong gamitin for free, and ang bilis niya gumawa ng presentation. And I am more than happy and willing to share it to you guys dahil sa madaming views na nakukuha ng ating YouTube channel. So, ano pa hinihintay natin? Let me share my screen para makita ninyo kung paano ko ginagawa ang mabilisang report na hindi lang 5-star ang dating, kundi ma-appreciate pa ng client. So, yung app po natin ay Sigama.app or Sigama AI. So, Sigama AI po ay isang app kung saan free po yung mag-create ng account. Pwede ka mag-create ng account po dito. Once mag-create ka, magkakaroon ka po ng 400 free credits. And yung credits na po yun ay yun po yung gagamitin nyo po sa pag-create ng presentation. So as you can see, madami na po ako ditong ginawa. And kada presentation nyo po na gagawin, it will take or it cost around 40 credits. So kung may 400 ka po, madami na po yun actually. So ilan ba ang pwede mong gamitin yun? And ano na po yun? Let's say, meron ka na pong 10 cards dun po. So, at around, meron ka na pong 10 slides na pwedeng gawin. At ang dali lang din po niyang gamitin. So, ito po siya. Punta po kayo sa Gamma. You can use your Google account or any email account. And ang ginagawa ko po is, pagkatapos mo ng 400 credits, I use and sign up another account po using another email kasi I have multiple email addresses na ginagamit ko para po tuloy-tuloy lang yung aking free credits. Pero ito po siya. So pag nandito ka na po sa page, ang mangyayari po is you will have this option. May templates po sila dito. May yung templates po nila would be the different types like color blue, meron po silang color green, meron may design, meron din po sila yung may mga photos for sales and marketing, meron silang for projects and collaboration, and meron din po silang tinatawag na inspiration. So if you have any inspiration na you like from here, ito po kasi inspiration is parang like blog kind of type na presentation, nandito po sila. Siyempre, meron din po silang themes and pwede mong i-import. Meron palang custom fonts and karamihan na po kasi nito is for paid accounts na. So, nandun lang po tayo sa free. So, let's go with Gammas. Sa Gammas po, meron silang tatlong ways for you to create a account or a presentation. Itong create with AI, this is what I normally use. Pero ito pong create from blank is ikaw po yung gagawa nito. Parang katulad po nito yan. Itong ginawa kong untitled. Pag pinindot mo yung blank, ikaw po yung magta-type. Then ikaw din po yung let's say magde-design yung card styling, etc. etc. Which is kaya po tayo gumawa nito kasi gusto po natin magmadali. So, hindi po natin gagamitin. Pero you can also do import. So, pero gamitin natin yung lagi natin ginagamit, which is yung create with AI. Sa create with AI, there are 3 options. Paste and text. So, kung meron ka na pong, let's say, research, may data ka na, binigay na ni client, gusto mo na lang pong gawa ng what they call this, presentation, pwede ka po dito sa paste and text. So, pag pinindot mo po siya, there is an option for you to just paste everything here. Tapos, pwede ka pang mamili either presentation, web page, document, or social. Sa social po, pwede po, let's say, gusto mo mag-post sa LinkedIn. Sa LinkedIn po kasi, pag nagpo-post ka, normally, document type po siya. So, papakita ko po sa inyo yung aking LinkedIn account. So, sa LinkedIn po, kapag pumunta ka dito, okay, let's just give it some time to load. Ito po, itong type na to, meron po siyang, yun, ito po, ganyan po yung magiging itsura kapag pinili niyo po social at ginawa niyo pa siyang document. So, for LinkedIn post, since B2B tool po kasi siya yung nangyayari, and you can choose to change the portrait style, which is yung pang Instagram, stories, or square, which is yung pang Facebook. And pwede rin po siyang gawing web page, like gusto nyo po siyang gawing funnel, like yung parang website style, dito po siya pwedeng pinutin yung page. Then once you paste everything here, you can just click on generate from notes, summarize, or preserve. Ngayon po, ginagamit ko to kapag may research po ako. Let's say, gumawa po ako ng blog for my company. Tapos gusto ko po siyang gawa ng post. Like yung carousel post. Kasi pwede nyo pong lagyan siya dito. Ngayon, I will tell you is yung sa generate. So, for example, sa school ka or research. So, let's say, what is meta ads? Kunwari wala ka pang documents. So ito lang. What is meta ads? Campaign type, objectives, and best practices. So for example, gusto mag-research sa topic na to. Wala ka pang data ha, hindi ka pa nag-chat GPT and all. So, piliin po muna ninyo social or presentation. Let's choose presentation. You can choose 10 cards. Depende po kung ilang cards nyo. Normally, sa akin, pag nagka-carousel ako, 6 cards lang. 10 cards would be a lot kung madami yung data. Pero if you want more than 10 cards, yun po, may bayad na po siya. So, English. So, ngayon, i-generate natin yung outline. Nandito po yung magic. Once we generate outline na to, mag-create na po siya ng presentation. So, tingnan natin. Of course, this will use 40 credit points that I have. So, ito po yung information niya. What is meta ads, campaign objectives, and best practices. Nandyan po siya since yung title natin, Understanding Meta Ads. Pero, let's try to pero hindi pa kasi natin siya generate ito. So, nandito na po siya. So, i-generate po natin. Hihanap na tayo. Do we like blue? Sige, let's go for blue since meta siya. We will use AI images. So, pwede po yung AI, pero we can also use stock photos or web images. Mas maganda po yung kung meron kayong stock or web images. Kasi pag AI po, minsan may mga misspelled letters siya. And image art. So, illustration yung gusto natin. So, ngayon, i-ano natin siya? Generate. excited for you to see. Ayan. So, as you can see, it's generating, AI generating, don't close this tab. So, that's technically how good and how fast the presentation is if maglalagay ka lang ng prompt. Of course, if for example, meron ka na pong data or details, ganito rin po yun. Ang gagawin na lang niya po is lalagyan niya ng images yung data nyo, gagawin niya ng table if it's necessary para mapuno po yun yung data. So, check natin. Ngayon, ito na siya. So, if you would notice, kompleto siya. What is meta ads? Campaign types, objectives, and best practices. If you will notice, gantong-ganto po yung style ng design ko na present ko sa inyo when I am doing my meta ads in my Google suspension videos. Kasi po si Gamma po yung nag-create, pero ako po yung nag-insert. So, nandito siya, understanding meta ad basics, integrated reach, structured campaigns, objective-driven AI. So, kompleto po siya. Meron siya ditong simplified campaign objectives, which is, as per the discussion we had, nandun po ito lahat. Yung awareness, yung traffic, yung engagement, yung leads, yung app promotion, and sales. Meron din po siyang awareness objective since part po siya ng hiningi natin. Para sa may awareness, para sa yung traffic, ay paldong-paldo po yung image niya in fairness. Engagement objective, ito po yung napansin nyo, may mga ganito po siya pag AI related. So, before you pass this to your client, basahin nyo din po. Make sure na walang issue. And again, mas maganda po may sarili yung data para talagang yung data is correct. Pag ganito po kasing internet-related po and AI-generated, ang ginagawa ko po siya, binabasa ko talaga siya kasi minsan hindi po tama yung iba. So you have to make sure you do your fact check. So ganyan, you can just delete this actually. May option po dyan na delete. Or you can even edit that. Pero ito, remove accent image for example. Pag nire-remove siya, mawawala siya. Pero, ano mag-undo dito? Ayan. Hindi ko siya ma-undo. Pero basically, that's it. If you don't like one piece of image, you can change it. Ito rin, leave absent promotion, then yung sales revenue, imagine mo, may paganto pa siya. So, conversion nyo, for example, which is if you're doing, let's say, a proposal, a marketing proposal, lagay nyo lang ng data and siya na yung gagawa ng table nyo, best practices, and meron din siyang summary and next step. Ngayon, may option po yan dito to present full screen. Ganyan po siya pag present as full screen. Ayan. So, meron siyang parang nandito siya. Kunwari, ayan. So, nandito po siya sa pinakadulo. And aside from full screen po, meron din po siyang, of course, if you wanted to save this and just give out the link, for example, pwede din. And meron po siyang option to export and share. So, pag in-export mo po siya, pwede mo po siyang gawing PDF, PowerPoint, or slides. Pero one thing lang po is, this is one thing na I've experienced. When you export it to PDF or PowerPoint, minsan po yung words niya nagkakadikit. Parang ganito, traffic objective, parang nagkakaganyan. So, you have to make sure na you double check para may spaces po siya. Yun lang po napansin ko and I already submitted that feedback. Pero again, nothing beats the fastest way to generate your presentation by AI and free po. And if you notice, my export, meron pa po pala siya ditong post directly to link. So imagine mo yan, ang bilis-bilis niya. So ganun lang po siya kabilis and I just really wanted to show this kasi feeling ko AI is here. They're not supposed to replace us. We're supposed to use AI correctly and efficiently. Kasi regardless kung gaano sila kagaling, at the end of the day, they would still needed someone to manage them, to update them, to know of the business in and out basically. Pero yes, that's technically what Gamma app or Gamma AI is for. So yun lang guys. I hope I was able to give you something or a very nice tool for you to use for presentation. Again, hindi lang po to para sa mga VA, sa mga estudyante. If you're doing your reports, you can actually do it here. Kailangan mo na lang mag-research. You don't really have to create everything. Pero kung ikaw yung taong napaka-creative, yung creative juices mo is napakadami pa din, even after school and after work, you can definitely design your own presentation via Canva or any other tool you want to use. But for me, just wanted to share that. Again, I will leave the link below sa comment section or sa description ng aking video. And if you like this video, I hope you could like, subscribe, and comment. Nakakatulong po na mabuti yung comment and likes nyo para po maipabigay tayo lalo sa mas malaki at mas malawak na algorithm. Again, thank you so much for watching. This is again your Shia.